So today we're going to try and see if we can repair this Rode Videomic Pro. I got it actually on eBay for a really good price. It sounds amazing, works really well, except this gain switch here. When you put it to plus 20, it's fine, but around on 0 and minus 10, it's scratchy. Like it'll sometimes make contact, sometimes it won't. So it's scratchy. So I tried running signal through it and just going back and forth a bunch of times. I think it's probably bad contacts. So we're just going to take this apart and see if there's a way we can clean the contacts in there on that switch. I looked all through YouTube and I didn't see anything about this. So that's why I'm making this. Hopefully it'll work. And if it does, hopefully it helps somebody else. T9, that's the screw head it takes. Torx. Turn it off. I've never even taken the battery out of this. I have to figure out how that works. Okay, simple enough. But time for a new one of them anyway. That off to the side. Take our Torx here. Unscrew this. Hopefully it doesn't all blow apart before our very eyes. Okay. Little switch covers are going to fly off. There they go. Oh, one fell on the floor. And that's what I figured was going to happen, but what can you do, eh? So now we've got this open. So here's a little switch that I'm concerned about here. So take a little bit of contact cleaner and just give it a little prime just to make sure it's going to work. So put it all the way to the one side. It could be that there's just a bad contact, or it could be that there's a mechanical problem in the stops and the switch too. I don't know. It's that 0 in the middle, which is what I want, and it just doesn't work there. It's hit or miss. So we've got that in there now, so we're just going to move it back and forth, manipulate that switch, try and hold this little board so it doesn't go too crazy. Just trying to get that cleaner into those little contacts. I mean, normally a switch you can kind of spray and give it a wipe down with something, but this is completely closed. You can't get in there. Give it a little bit more in there. So we're just going to keep switching this back and forth. Got a real good going. Now I'm going to try and find this switch that I dropped, and it's right at my foot. That's perfect. Okay, set that there so that doesn't happen again. These little things here pop out on the bottom too, as little anchors. They won't stay in because I need the other half to hold them. So we'll put this back on. Just looking here, there's a little bit of a hook on the top. You'll figure it out. But up here, this kind of goes on top and then pushes down. And then we're just going to keep this like so, a little bit of pressure on it. And we'll screw this little Torx bit back in if it'll bite. Is it biting? It's biting. It takes a fair bit of a little more torque than you'd expect on there, but it's definitely positive connection there. So I'm going to put these little shock mounts back in. Just kind of push them in there. Alright, now we're going to hook this up to our wireless Go. I'm using the wireless Go right now, so I'm going to plug this into the wireless Go. Take it off my shirt right now. So the little wireless Go system has a microphone input in it you can use. So I'm just going to set it here, like that. I'm going to get a new battery, put that in. So to put it in, put the thing back on, you just kind of push it flat like this, and push it down, and then let it spring back up into place. There you go. Now we blew one of these out when we tried to do that, so we'll fix it too. Alright, now I'm going to plug this into the wireless Go, and we'll see what it sounds like. Forgot to put the switches back on. So you got your little switch on the top and your little switch on the bottom. They're both the same. They just slide on like that. The little white part goes to the top. There, it's on there. Okay, so now we're going to plug this in and see what it sounds like. I have my headphones on also so I can hear this. Okay, microphone is on. We're at minus 10. 1, 2, check. Minus 10 dB. Seeing some level on there. Going up to 0. Going up to 0. Holy jumping zero, we got some signal now. That's our 0. There, that's a good solid signal. Can't complain about that. So hopefully that helped. If you ever have this problem, you can give it a shot too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more stuff like this. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.